How to swap crypto in your Trust wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to swap crypto in Trust wallet. So for that case, go ahead and log in into your Trust wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and while you're on this page, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Here you just have to go and press on the swap button from the bottom left hand side corner of your screen, and it's going to take you to this field. So right on this page, you need to select the asset that you wish to swap, let's say BTC or Bitcoin, and on the other field you need to go and read the instruction. If you're sure about it, press the swap button. Now you also need to select from what you wish to swap to and to which asset you wish to swap. Go ahead and select that, enter in the exact amount and click the confirm button, and next you have to go through some review or information section, confirm it, and you'll have successfully swapped crypto in your Trust wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.